Got the inflatable booth and the spray today. All right, we're hooked up, ready for the tow home. 20 miles, towing it just like this. I'm just playing, we're going right across the yard. Rolling. This is just the first coat of clear. This one, I'm gonna do 3. Get it way down a little flatter. But you know what? Can't really do it. That's weird. That doesn't good. And now really nice. It looks foggy as fucking hell because it is. I'm gonna spray the steering wheel tomorrow. Spray the door tomorrow. Do 100 tomorrow. Right circle out. A little peely, but don't get away flat. A little bit better. Maybe just a little bit. And yep. And here we are. I didn't film much of this because the overspray in here was a fucking bitch. It was foggy as hell in here. Yet to do the insides of these. I have a can I'm gonna do. I couldn't get my gun in there comfortably, so it is what it is. Not too bad, eh? Nice and fucking shiny. It's looking beautiful, man. Oh, I'm in love with it. Now this, some of that tranny tunnel, I think that's gonna be nice. This is all gonna be painted red. Bed liner, bed liner, bed line, bed line, bed line the top, and bed line this back area, and then the top of this bumper and the front one as well. Just for stepping purposes, make it look a little bit nicer too. Just laying out a little bit better. Hit stop on my camera by accident. The top of this will be lined up so you won't even really see it. There we go. Got a couple of things of dust in there, and granted I just used that Harbor Freight gun. The black one that they have. Dude, it didn't do bad at all. I mean, look at that shit. That's fucking nice, man. Anything you see in the paint is literally due to this. We didn't have enough space. It didn't fit in here all the way. And up there, had I pushed it all the way in, I wouldn't have been able to spray the front. So I need to get all the way around. So if you sacrifice, that's why you get good at buffing and polishing. Who cares? Yeah, steering wheel gets sprayed Monday, same with the doors, and it'll get put back together. Fuel tank as well. And she's donezo.